Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a review of the best handheld vacuum I've ever used. It's called the Dirt Devil Cordless Quick Flip. It's a 16 volt lithium. This thing is awesome. Every home should have one. I have a couple of them. And I bought some for my friends, never had any problem for them, friends and family, for like gifts and Christmas and stuff. So I'm going to open this up and show you how it works. They make a lower version voltage of this, and they make a higher version. In my opinion, just stick with the 16 volt one because it's plenty powerful. Here's the on-off switch. Comes with this attachment that it's got a little motor in this attachment, so these will spin. For hair and stuff, I never use it. I just use it like this, but most of the time I use this quick flip. Ouch. Flip it down, it's like that. See, there's some Cheerios here on the floor, watch. There you go. That's how it works. And I mean, it'll even pick up bigger things like this. You could unflip this quick flip, and it's got a bigger mouth. You charge it in the back here. It comes with a charger. This is a must-have for your house. Seriously, you'll buy one of these, and you'll go get it all the time to clean up little messes, especially if you have kids. And then you'll buy more of them because you won't have one on each floor, one in the basement, one in the garage. Anyway, just plugs in here. That's how you charge it. And here's how you empty it. It's pretty easy. You push this button right here. It comes out like that. And you take this out, and then you can dump out the trash. See? There's the trash. Anyway, this is like the best vacuum ever. Hit like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I forgot to add in my video that this is like $40. I buy them from Walmart, but don't expect to go to Walmart and find them. They'll all be sold out. That's what happens to me whenever I go there. So I just order them online and keep my order above $50 so I get free shipping, and they'll ship it right to your house. A lot of times I'll just buy 2 of them. Anyway, this thing never lets me down. It holds a good charge. It's an awesome vacuum. I can't say anything about it. I rate this a scale 1 to 10. I give it a 10. You know, I thought it was a stupid purchase because my girlfriend bought it, but I have to say she was smart because it was a great idea. So I tell her that all the time, that she surprised me buying something that's so useful that you didn't even know you really wanted to have many of these around the house for quick cleanups instead of getting the big vacuum out. Anyway, thanks for watching.